In this video, I'm going to show you how to create dynamic reports from tabular data using Google Gemini. So I'm in a Colab notebook here, but you can mock up your examples on Vertex AI Studio, which is also in Google Cloud. And this allows you to get your prompt correct and check the responses are coming out right. When you're happy with that, get your code and pull it out to a Jupyter notebook. To make this dynamic, I'm using Google BigQuery to pull my tabular data, and this is what it looks like. So I'm pulling Google Trends for the last week in the UK, and the SQL in the prompt seems to work best with Markdown, as Google showed us on the example. So here's the prompt. I'm telling it it's a marketing expert, so setting a role, giving it a task of writing a report and telling it what to write the report on, what data is coming in. Then I'm getting detail on the format of the output, the summary, the detailed report, unexpected terms, where to put the data in, and then asking it some specific format things. Don't make things up, translate in English if you need to, and then I'm injecting that result to Markdown down in the data. So let's see what this looks like. I'm running the prompt now. It takes about 12 seconds and it prints out a report. So it gives me the top 5 categories. It gives me, in the format I was looking for, it gives me some of that detail with contextual English there, and also it gives me some unexpected terms and why. So the really nice part of this is now I can change the data set to the German data set. So that just downloads in BigQuery, that can be injected into the prompt, and now I have everything in English from the German data set. So I can see the summary in Germany, the detail, and you can loop through these in code and you can just have multiple reports come out automatically. What really excited me was this. This is the Japanese BigQuery data. And you'll see down here that there isn't English word really to be found except 1 or 2, but still this is able to give me some English explanation, English detail, and some explanation on the unexpected terms from the Japanese symbols, which I think is really good for specific business use cases where you have to translate, but then also you need context around the translation. I hope you found this useful. I'm going to be making a lot more videos on real use cases in Google Gemini, so follow for more.